you're smart.
Yeah, this
Like
never want to
how
match with me. Is that happen?
and enough time, I send a request for you decline me.
I don't know why part time, but you have some good time for 2 years.
And you decline me.
But now, but I don't know why, but you can't say why part time, no?
So I guess I don't know what's wrong.
But we answer you because you're cool, you know, maybe you got a problem with it.
So I go on, I see you with a 1,000 wig. Me ask you, I like the blonde wig, make you want to put it on yourself?
No, I remember say girl, man, we're in the river, run your wig them, you know.
But you know you cannot fix wig to save your life, so why would you want to put on the wig?
You have to believe in my plan. Me can't make the car here
I like
my
the wig,
wig.
make you want to put it on yourself. Because
Yeah,
me know
all
you
now.
can't put on wig to save your
No,
life.
only me have to wear, me have to stick to my plan because me buy my black wig before me buy your blonde. I too want to support the business, make me buy.
But you can't put it on yourself.
Just know that. I just too want to support it, that's why. So now, but I feel like I say it's because I don't really want a black wig. I just want to support you.
Me know you don't like the blood clot wig, that's why you want to put it on yourself. Because if any other
honey,
wig,
that is not the problem.
you go down on your hairdresser and put on the wig, but you want to put it on yourself because you don't like it.
Pause. Plug out the radio. Before I buy a blonde wig, me order my wig, girl. So I don't know where you there. But it's only because I want to support the business because I like what you do. And that's why I buy a wig. And then really because I want to come.
Me not talk about your black wig.
You can't say one blonde wig. I have one blonde wig, you know. But me not wear it.
Me not talk about your black wig, me myself. Yeah, you say you want to put on the wig, so I say why you want to put it on? You cannot put on wig to save your life, so don't try to put it on. God, the hairdresser and make somebody.
No, honey. I put on wig already and it look good for me. I put on my wig. I'm going to put on my wig. But I'm running away there. Where did I put on my black wig? I'm an orange wig. I'm a blue wig. Where did they? Where were you?
I did you come over here for?
I come over here for them, but I come go on, like I said, me a coffee. I'm a coffee. I know what I do.
Alright.